and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a really quick designer shoe haul. So if you are interested in videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of content, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And also once you're down there hitting the subscribe button, please make sure you hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I upload a new video. And also if you do end up liking the video, please do hit the thumbs up, the like button. That will really help my channel. So that being said, I'm going to move straight on with the video. Whew. So as I said at the beginning of the video, so I have two pairs of shoes that I picked up in the last, I'd say probably a couple of months. One is a kind of rebuy, which I'll tell you about as I go on, and then another pair are a sandal that I've been lusting after for the longest time, and I was just so happy to kind of get my hands on them. So enough waffling, I'm feeling enough waffling. So I'm going to start with the first pair. So the first pair are from Alexander McQueen. Now, some of you may have watched a previous video that I did on a pair of trainers that I picked up from Alexander McQueen, which I bought pre-loved. I picked them up in a size, I think it was a 39. Now, it was this big back and forth with the sizing of designer shoes, and I'm sure a lot of you out there have the same issue. When buying designer shoes, do you go up a size, down a size, what the crack is, you know, what the fit's like? And I do feel like there's a lot of contradictory information online. So when I was looking for these particular trainers, I did go online and have a little look, and a lot of people said they ran big. So I've got a size 39. Now, the 39 fit okay. I'm not going to say they don't fit, because they do, without socks. But when I tried to put socks on with them, oh my days, it's like my feet are in a straitjacket. So unfortunately, I am going to have to end up selling them. So if they are something that you're potentially interested, please do leave a comment down below or get in contact with me. And if you're interested in buying them, I'm more than happy to sell them on. So with that being said, because I really wanted the trainer, I went into Selfridges in the Trafford Centre, Manchester, and I picked up another pair. Now I picked these up in a size 40, so you'll see there, if you can, hopefully it's not washed out, but in a size 40, and I picked them up in a different colour, so I'll show you, because I'm just, I think, you know, just show the shoe, Auntie, just show the shoe. So in here is just the, you know, I ordered them in store and then got them delivered. So it's got all this stuff in there. So it's got a little card it comes with, extra laces there, which is super. And then it just comes, yeah, with a tissue. So I picked these up with the rose gold backing. So the other ones that I've got, they were red. I will leave the video link somewhere. If not in the cards, I'll leave it in the description bar so you can have a look at them. The condition of the red ones that I've got, they're pretty decent condition, to be fair. But like I say, I just couldn't wear them as often as I liked. I wanted to be able to wear with them with socks, and even the socks that I did wear, they weren't overly thick socks, but they just weren't comfortable. So as I say, went into Selfridges, tried a couple pairs on. I tried to see if the 39.5 would be better, but for the sake of the half a size, it just felt better getting the size 40. So what I would say, if you're half a size, well, to do half a size, you'll be fine. But I would say these are pretty true to size. I wouldn't necessarily go up or down on them. Just go your normal size, and these fit pretty okay. So as I say, rose gold. I haven't actually wore them yet, but what I will say, although I've got the size 40, they do kind of lift a little bit in this shoe, so your foot. So I don't know if when people say that they run big, that's what they mean, because your foot kind of does move. So what I think I'm going to do is just probably just get an inner sole or something like that, just or something in the back, just to try and prevent my foot from coming out of it. As I say, it's not anything where it's flip-flopping all over the place or anything like that, but I just think it probably will just make them that little bit more comfortable. So absolutely adore these. And I was so unsure of what colour to get. I'm like, do I get a blue, because blue is my favourite colour? And then I thought, well, I do like the idea of the metallic. Just what I will say with the ones that are kind of, I want to say suede or whatever leather on the back, I do find that the colour can kind of transfer, so just be mindful of that if you are picking them up with without the metallic. So that's kind of another reason why I went for metallic, just for the fact that I noticed on the pair that I actually have, it does look like it transfers, and I didn't kind of like the idea of that. So it was either do I go for gold or do I go for rose gold. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to go for the rose gold. So very happy with them. So how much did I pay for these? Oh, sorry. Jesus. Again, I bought these a little while ago. When did I buy these? In May. I bought these in May. And I just realised, yeah, £420 these were. Jeez Louise. Ooh. Was it £420? Yeah, so it was. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so that was the price from Selfridges. And if I'm being honest, I think when I've looked on different websites, they are all kind of the same standard price. They're not any cheaper really anywhere else, depending on if, I suppose, you've got like a discount code, things like that. But then I think with discount codes, you do have to also be mindful that there are exclusions on certain things. So yeah, but I absolutely love them. Can't wait to wear them, which I think I need to start rocking them quite soon, if I'm being honest. But I've been just waiting to film this video, so I didn't really want to wear them and, you know, scuff them up and all that kind of thing, keep them pristine white and all that. So yeah, so that is my. It says men's runway trainers, but then it says others later. It's got all kinds of writing on there, so whatever. But those are the Alexander McQueen. As I say, what do they call them? Yeah, men's runway trainers, I think that's what they're called. Yeah, there you go. And if you've got any other questions with regards to the Alexander McQueen trainers, please do just drop them in the comment section, and I'd be more than happy to kind of give you any suggestions or advice, or just kind of how they fit, how they feel, anything like that. Please do just drop it in the comment section down below. Okay, and then next, oh my god. So I picked up these sandals from Chloe. I was thinking it's like it's on the box for you. Picked these up from Chloe. Oh my god, I've been after these sandals for just what seems forever, and I picked them up from, where was it? The Outnet. So again, I've not wore these yet either. Again, I've been waiting to record the video. They come with like a little dust bag, little, like, I'm assuming like take care card or what have you. The bags are gorgeous, look at that. You actually get two, so one for each foot, which is super. And then, oh God, believe it, you know, because they've been sat in the box for that long, I actually forgot like just how beautiful these are. I just opened them and just like, oh God, absolutely, oh, I love them anyway. So these are the sandal. Oh, look at them. Oh my God. And then they wrap around the ankle at the top there, as you can see. Not worn them yet. I picked these up in a size 41. Now, from what I can remember, I think I mean, again, I do have a pair of Chloe boots that run a little bit small, so I thought let me pop up a size, and I think these fit okay. I don't think they're too big, but especially with an open toe, I do like to size up just a little bit, because I hate the thought of my toes hanging over the side, because obviously with the, you know, the way your foot goes, it kind of does tend to overly slide that way. But I feel like these fit pretty well. The only thing I will say is that the holes, I've got quite slim ankles, so I'm probably going to have to get them to pop a few more holes in, just so it's a little bit more secure around my ankle. These, do I have the details? I don't think I have them to hand. Again, these were pretty decent price, I think, on the Outnet. I think probably just over £100, but I don't know for sure. but I will pop that information down below in the description bar, so if you are interested, go and have a little look there. I will see if I can find the link to these. If I can, again, I will pop it down there. But these were an absolute bargain. Again, I've mentioned this a few times in a couple of videos I've done when it comes to buying pre-loved, because I was trying to find these on pre-loved, and the prices that they wanted for used was probably a little bit more expensive than I bought these for brand new. So again, if you are looking for anything design or anything in general, I will say, not necessarily just design, but if you are looking and you're looking second hand or pre-loved or whatever you want to call it, I would kind of try and see if you can find it on some of these discounted websites. So like the Outnet have one, they have that, and then there's a couple other ones that I can't think of the top of my head, but if you Google, you'll probably find a few websites that kind of do stuff that's, I won't even say out of stock, but you know, like stores have sent there for whatever reason. I don't know why they've done that, but you can get them at a discounted price. So there's the, oh, look at them, oh my god, the suede just looks, it's such a rich, look at that, it's just, yeah. I think me and the mister are going out next weekend. I think I'm going to wear these next weekend. Yeah, wearing them. We've not got, I think we're just going to go for something to eat, but I think I'm going to wear them. Yeah, and I need to get myself, the reason why I'm not, I'd like to try on, because I need a pedicure, and I don't really want to get my hooves out on the, not on the internet, so that's the reason why I've not tried these on. But yes, I am so happy with these. So those are, just, and even the box as well. As I say, I do have a pair of boots that I bought off STA Collective. They didn't come with the box, but the Chloe box is just, it's just delicious, isn't it? Look at it, just sleek, sophisticated. I mean, I know it's just a box, but still, you know, presentation. So everyone, that is everything for this video. So it was a nice short and sweet one, just how I wanted it. So again, any questions on anything that I've shown today, how they fit, recommendation, just anything, any questions you might have, please do leave them in the comment section down below, and I will do my best to answer if I can, and if I can't, I'll try and direct you somewhere else where you might be able to get that answer from. So if you did manage to get to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and also please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure you hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I've uploaded a new video. And also, if you did end up liking the video, please do make sure you give it a thumbs up, because that really does help my channel. So with all that being said, I will leave one of my previous videos at the end here, so you can take a look at that, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Take care, bye for now, see ya.